to find the perfect niche, I think we do have a advisor with Seller App who always says to us about really listening to the social and what's happening around you, right? And if you're a good listener and you also listen to what's happening across around you, I'm sure that you can actually find products which are actually having good needs for the people and which are not served by the current marketplace. So always find products which are of good need. Avoid products which are seasonal fluctuation. Again, once you become expert in the game, you can always go for products which might sell only 3 months in a year or 4 months in the year. But in the beginning, always you choose for a product which has a year-long demand. Again, profit margin, we already covered that. So marketplace also has various fees attached to it. Like one of them is actually storage fees, which is always proportional to the dimensions of your product. So avoid large products, at least in the beginning, and you can always once you again grow and expand, you can always look at that. And again, don't look at products which has a high competition unless you can make a huge difference. And if your changes are very incremental, if you can make only a minor differences in your product, don't go for products which are high competitive right now in the market.
Hey, it's Riya Mithun here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.